Hey folks, this is Matt coming to you up close and personal from a dealership here in Miami. And I'm going to be doing this Bentley Flying Spur. This is a beautiful car, I have to admit. Now, whether you have a Toyota or you have a Bentley, you're getting the white glove customer service from me, okay? But look how pretty this car is on the inside, actually. It's kind of nice. This car, someone smoked in it. It gets a little tricky with the perforated seats, and I have to actually be very careful with all of these kinds of materials because obviously, whether, like I said, whatever car to car it is, you have to take care of it and make sure that you treat it like it's your own, and that's what I do, okay? This is your, whoever owns going to own this car worked very hard for it, and we're going to make sure that we get this thing smelling the way it's supposed to smell. There's a lot of odor magnets in here. You got Alcantara up here, perforated seats, but I have a two-part system that I get right to it, and it's going to get the odor out and make this thing smell neutral the way it's supposed to smell. My name is Matt. I'm at 954-589-3083, and I can help you with your plane, your boat, your car, your home, whatever you got. Hey, look, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice, and you take it easy. And if it's real easy, take it twice.